just received these baking sheets and parchment paper sheets from Baker's Signature, and I'm coming on here to unbox it, and then we're actually going to test it out by making some burgers. Okay, so here are the baking sheets. This is what the little one looks like. This is my phone in reference to it. I have the 17 Pro Max. And then we've got the medium one, which is a little bit bigger. And then we've got the big one, which is perfect for a bunch of cookies. But I think we're going to be using the medium one for the burgers. But it does say that it is premium stainless steel, and it feels like it's really, really good material. Like if I'm touching it, it just feels thick, it feels shiny, feels like it's gonna cook really well in this. And then here is the parchment paper. They're all cut to the perfect size. It's actually the perfect size for the big one, so I might actually use the big one just because of that. But this parchment paper is actually unbleached, natural, and also non-stick. So we're gonna be testing this out with the burgers. Okay, so here are the burgers. I'm just going to put this on here. And we're going to season them and then put them in the oven. Okay, so the burgers are in and they are halfway, well, almost done. Okay, so the burgers just came out. This is what it looks like. You look under here. Looks exactly the same as brand new. Looks really nice. Overall, really good experience. Definitely recommended. Burgers cook well.